If you want to customize always on display in your Samsung Galaxy M52 5G, open the settings. Next, you have to go simply for the lock screen, find always on display, and at the first we can change the screen timeout, so we can go for the 10 seconds always or set as a schedule. I'm going to pick this option. We can change our clock style right here. We can change color of the captions. You can also pick the GIF or your own picture, so we can decide. In this place you can show music information, you can change screen orientation between portrait and landscape, and you can turn on or turn off the auto brightness. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.